guys, so today we're doing a Minecraft video, and this is a new series. And this is my face.
Oops.
Okay, get into proper. So we're doing a new series, and I'm gonna do this on Geraldine's channel because they don't have Xbox here, and yeah, in their house, and yeah. So we're just doing the inside because we did the outside. Are you sleeping over, guys?
No, I don't know.
Hopefully you do.
And every time I do a mistake, can you explain it?
I squeeze her hand.
Okay, continue playing. That's the perfect explanation. I just squeeze her hand. That's all I do. Continue playing. Oh, by the way, I want to. You could follow me on Instagram. I have over. Talk to me on Snapchat and Twitter. Hope I get more than 1,000 followers. Your goal is 60,000, so I don't know what you're saying. But over 1,000 is my goal. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Let me check her Instagram. I'll put it in the link in this description. And she's on private, Ate. You're on private. Oops! I didn't do anything! The bed is floating. Ouch!
The floating
Oops.
bed. Oh,
I meant to squeeze that. What? It's not like I'm trying to pop a pimple. Come on, hurry up. We're almost gonna leave.
Guys, you're almost gonna leave.
And it's because of her. Diamond. Go. Get the diamond. Go. Do not break the bed. Oh, I made my own world, but I kind of cheated. Yeah, she cheated.
Yeah, but Sinead is gonna cheat too, and I'm gonna cheat.
Everyone's gonna cheat.
Honestly.
Duh. Oh, we said it.
Duh. Get out of here.
That's Aoife. Follow her on Instagram and
Help
her reach to 1,000 followers. Me too.
Because I only have 2 followers.
Well done, Aoife. Well done. That's the best followers anyone can have. Okay. Look how much diamonds we have.
Where did that?
Who cares? Okay. What's I gonna get? A chest. Find the chest. By the way, I will teach you how to draw, how to make you something, and I'm going to do truth or dare with Aoife if she says yes or no.
Yes, I want to.
I'll do another video. So this is the first part of Minecraft. Bye bye.